In today's video we will see how to create template from current view. Okay, this is a very good way to speed up your project or work. So whenever you have project, you set the view template on which you prefer to work, then you can reuse this view template for any project, so not need to set every time. Okay, so here I am using in Revit. This is how I am going to use this view template. This is I have created some plan. Okay, for to create view template, create template from current view, we have to go in view template. You will see here view template icon. Click here, current template, create template from current view. Click here, give some name, template template 1. Okay, template 1 has been created. Now we can customize as per your, suppose I am giving here 100, model type course, giving fine, visibility graphic, you can click here, and now we can, suppose I am giving on this wall, okay, okay, apply, okay, let's model type display, we give fair constant, you can adjust smooth if you want, then apply, okay, okay, let's see. To activate the template, we have to go here, view template, select our template 1, apply. Now we'll see here, you can see the scale also. From here you cannot do anything, you cannot edit from here, you cannot select anything because you have applied the template. In 3D we have applied the template on ground floor only, so that's why it's showing in ground floor, not in 3D. For 3D we have to go in template, view template, create template, TEMPLATE2. Okay, template 2, you will see here the scale is 1/8. If we here adjust, suppose I am giving it 100, medium I am giving fine, visibility graphic, suppose selecting the wall color, okay, apply, okay, model display realistic, okay, okay, go in view template, select your template, apply, okay, you will see we have given the color like this, that's why you are given the design. Okay, you will see the scale here also, Once you apply the template, you cannot edit from here anything. Okay, you can see we have applied the unity graphic. Actually we have applied the line pattern, that's why it's showing here all the line. Okay, in this way you can use your view template and create template from current view. Okay, thank you for watching the video.